How to enable gift option on TikTok. Make sure you are connected to internet and you have already logged into your TikTok account. Now open your TikTok app. Here we go. You will land to your profile. Now at the top right corner you can see these three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Go to the option Creator Tools. Here you can see the option of gifts. You have to tap on it. Now here you can see this icon. Just swipe right. Now here you can see some requirements for turning on the gift option on TikTok. Firstly, you must have at least 10,000 followers, and then video must pass safely moderation to be eligible for gifts. Have an account that's been active for at least 30 days and meet the age requirement. As you can see that I haven't fulfilled some of requirements, so it is not showing the option of turn on gifts. If you have fulfilled all these requirements, then it will show this option to turn on gifts. In this way, you can easily enable gift option on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. At the end, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.